Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Last time we learned how to create playlist on your YouTube channel and how to edit this playlist and of course how to add and remove videos from this playlist. Today I want to show you how to remove playlist from your YouTube channel.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
If you want to remove your playlist from your YouTube channel, you need to go to YouTube Studio. Go to playlist from left menu. Select playlist what you don't need anymore. And here is a button with 3 dots. Click on this button and here is a button delete playlist. So you click on this and you need to confirm are you sure to want to delete this playlist, and note deleting playlist is permanent action and cannot be undone. So if you click delete this, you can revert playlist. So I'm pushing delete. And that's all, my playlist is removed. So I can back to my YouTube Studio. Playlist. So like you see, this playlist not exist on my list of playlists. If you have some question about this topic or how to manage your YouTube channel, please leave this question in the comments. If I know answer of this question, I will try explain you in comments about it. Or I prepared some video about your question and I will try answer for your question.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.